Hi, we're back and we're looking at the other sections available in course settings inside Moodle. First thing I just wanted to mention that when you are on this edit course settings page, you can usually find out more information about the settings by clicking one of these icons here. Uh, Most of the time you'll see a little pop-up, and then sometimes, in this case, you'll see a little more help button, and if you click on that, that will actually take you to the Moodle documentation. Unfortunately, it doesn't open up in a new tab, so you'll probably want to hold down the command or control key as you're doing that. Okay, so let's collapse some of these. And where were we? We were on the appearance section, I believe. And the only thing I'm going to modify for right now is going to be show activity reports. And if you want some more information about that, you can just kind of read this little blurb. I'm not going to get into it, but there's a couple of little things that will be made available by selecting that. The rest of the stuff I'm just going to leave alone, but I'm going to open these up to show you what it looks like. So inside Files and Uploads, here's where you can change the default maximum file size. Right now you see it's set for 32 megabytes. If you wanted to reduce it to, I don't know, something really short or real small, you could do that. Guest access, this is where you if you want folks to be able to take your course without actually going through the enrollment process, you can do that by changing this setting. You can also set a password, and maybe you would want to do this as some sort of a coupon or promo code. I'm not exactly sure, but you can take a look at it. Anyway, that's what this is about. Then the next one down is groups, and I'll be honest, I'm not too familiar with groups, but my guess is that this is a way of breaking up a class into separate groups. If you've got like a large number of folks enrolled and you want to break them up, you could change that here. Anyway, we're just going to leave this alone for right now. And then the last section is role renaming. And here you see all the different roles, and this is the way where you can change the role or change the name of the roles without actually changing the role permissions themselves. For example, if you wanted to change from being a teacher to instructor or student, you could change the student to trainee or something like that. Anyway, this is where you would do it. And what's nice about this is that it's a way of changing the name of the role without actually changing the role itself. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the course settings. So I'm going to click Save and Display. The only thing that we should pop up the course, one of these entries. And here we go. So now we are actually ready to start editing the course itself. So we'll probably go through the steps of editing the topics. Just a recap of what we did. We chose a topical format, and I'm basically just going to align these topics with the movies that I made on installing Moodle locally. And it's going to be a pretty short course. Take maybe 20 minutes at the most. But it'll be nice. We'll be able to just go through everything. We'll eventually cover stuff like setting up quizzes and all that fun stuff. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks.